Hey guys, it's DeathX097 once again, and me and Delirious Scopes here are having a little drag race in our... What are you driving, Ju?
I'm in a Ford Mustang 302 Boss 2013 model.
And I am in a Ford Country Squire. So, we'll have a little race around here, and Cam hasn't joined us yet. Are you ready for this, Johnny?
I may have done a little burnout there.
Do you like my burnout? Alright, you ready?
Guess what? Bye. Did a burnout. Did a burnout in reverse.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. No way is this thing casually keeping up with you. I mean, you've gone, but that's not the point.
In the end, Swelly. No. Whoa.
Oh, I'm swaying. So obviously Johnny's won this. But
Jesus Christ.
I'm going 200 in this thing.
220 something. Oh, there's a wall there.
Yep, seen the wall. Ugh.
This would do 204, 203 in a fucking fifth gear. I'm gone. Bye.
Alright, mate, go to the outpost. You know what that is.
I'd like to just say something. This would keep up with my Ferrari.
Yeah, go to the outpost then, mate.
Did you use me as a brake again?
I hit you at 200. So, yes. Although, to be fair, you made a nice cushion for me to go from 200 to 0 very, very quickly.
That's a Mustang. As if I'm catching you, like...
I'm trying to stop.
Right. So what are we getting?
I'm gonna get my Jeep out, so that's another R3 class, so it gets that a different R3. Yeah, basically
Go on.
what I've done recently is I've downloaded the free DLC for the wacky different cars, and we're just having a little bit of fun with them. So we have a Honda Civic, we've got the Country, I have the Bel Air which I haven't customised yet, and I have my Jeep with an unpronounceable name because I didn't see it properly when I went past it.
Wrangler.
There you go, that answers that one.
Or is it Wrangler or Grand Cherokee? Grand Cherokee.
Well, you can see it when I come out.
And this time I'm actually in a BMW.
Oh.
And for God's sake, apparently I don't actually have that DLC again.
Do you not?
No.
I have your DLC though. I can't wheel spin this thing.
Oh.
Alright, you ready? We're going to do a little drag race down to the highway, and then we're going to do another one up there. You ready? You count down this time.
When you are. 3, 2, 1, go. Callum all-wheel drive.
I know, but still.
I'll have you in the long run. I'm gaining now, for fuck's sake.
I've got to hit the bikes.
Brembo's boiling.
Do a rolling start of 60.
Yeah.
It gives you a bit of a fair start then, as I've got all-wheel drive. I'm 60 on the dot, mate. Right, exactly.
Okay. When you are.
Oh, shit.
When you are.
2, 1, go. You're using your waiting for the right time to pull over, aren't you?
Maybe like that.
Yeah. Well, though, give it credit. It's going 190. Oh no,
I'm way past that.
mine's going. Okay, there you go, 190. It was going 189. I was like, are you going to go any faster?
I'm at 208.
Nah, this thing tops out 190. Which,
I'm pinned at 208, so...
yeah, 190. But you got to be fair. The fucking Jeep going near enough 200 miles an hour is fucking scary to look at, isn't it? Oops.
Saw you coming.
I went to drift around you, mate. I didn't mean to hit you.
No, you missed me last week.
Alright, let's go check.
I'm gonna take it. Hang on, let's pick this up Red Rock. I'm gonna take this up Red Rock. Let me just turn the
Let me
there it is.
change into my... Fuck it, let's go drift in my Jeep. We'll see at the beginning of Red Rock. Okay guys, so we have my Toyota Sprinter, we have a Ford Mustang Boss, and we have a Bugatti Veyron Supersport. We're going to see who's the best drifter. I'm pretty sure it ain't going to be me, even though I have the best car for it. It ain't going to be Cam, because he's shit at games, he also unplugged his mic. It ain't going to be Johnny, because he's in the wrong car. Basically, we're just completely incorrect for what we should be, aren't we, G? You should be in this thing because of what you're like. I should be in what you're in because I'm a muscle car fan, and Cam should just disappear because he's not a good driver. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, bye Cam. Cam's just, oh god. Oh yeah, Johnny, when are me and you going to get round to playing MW2? Johnny? Gee, stop concentrating for a minute and talk, man. That actually looked pretty dope. Cam, you still there? Okay. I'm being ignored. What? Guys?
Hello.
Okay, cool. I was gonna say,
Unplugged your mic.
I'm sorry. I was gonna say, gee, when are we gonna play MW2 and Medal of Honor together on the channel?
Whenever.
Because I found a comment saying you lied to us when I uploaded, or tried uploading the Left 4 Dead video.
What do you mean?
I had a comment from a random person saying you lied about playing MW2 when I tried uploading Left 4 Dead.
Right.
So, people are definitely watching me. So I was wondering if you, at some point tomorrow, do you want to do some MW2?
Well, I'm at work from 10:30 till 5, so...
I've got college from like 11 till 1. So,
Where are you? Have we sort of left you behind a bit, Cam?
yeah, I spun out trying to plug my mic back in. I was talking to you guys. I talking to silence for a couple of minutes. Pretty funny. Oops. It's okay.
I'll slow down trying to wait for you.
Thank you. Cam's just fucked off somewhere. I spun out. Oh. Johnny's using the wall as a support there, eh?
No, I wasn't. There was no one there. I wasn't even touching the wall.
It was on my screen. Your wheels are like so close. In fact, at one point I saw one of the wheels go through the fence, so...
Well, you just missed that. I just ripped a 360.
I can see the smoke. Not smoke, the wooden tyres.
Rubber rip one as well. Ready? Watch. I'll do it again.
Twinsies! Okay. What car now?
I'm actually going to jump in the Bummer, I think.
I'm gonna go.
Actually, do you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to jump with this, see if this will slide. The position slides quite well.
Well, I've got a really fantastic car for sliding, guys.
So,
And I've shared it, so even you guys can use it. Oh, fucking hell. Johnny, oh my god, Cam, yes. Johnny, can you kind of get out of me, mate? Oh god, Cam's now in me. All three of us are on each other. I've got the best drifting car of all of them, Jake. Oh. Ooh. They started at 25 miles, so. Hang on, I think my phone just went off.
Open skin, I can't actually see your car.
Okay.
I will leave all three of you, or both of you if I have to.
Mate. With the Fiat that wheel spins, no. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. This little Fiat will put up a fight, you. Sideways, but put up a fight. Oh.
Push me.
Oh god, it's left behind again.
This won't slide at all whatsoever. Oh, I regret that. Every moment of that.
My Fiat will. Guys, go back to the hot pot. Go back to the hot point and get my Fiat out. Till I shared it.
Give me a second, I've got a dick. For being a dick earlier.
Oh god! Dude, my Fiat just stopped his Jeep dead. Alright, let's go, everyone getting Fiats. Alright, so Johnny's got the Fiat.
I like it.
We're in the Fiat 595 in the shared garage.
And
We're in the shared garage, mate. You got my one in there. This thing, if it... I just saw that.
just who needs tyres?
Shit, why not? All three of us have got them. Load up. Oh, Johnny fucked off, fine. All fine. So guys, let's go through what cars we have. So Johnny, what car have you got?
Fiat 595 Essence.
Okay, Cam, what car have you got?
595 Essence.
And I have a Fiat 595 Essence. What we're gonna do, I can just see it sparking. We're gonna go drifting down the hillside and see what damage we can do, so let's go. Ugh. Johnny, no. Johnny, no. Ah! I spun it. Where's oh god, Poochkin fucking did it. Oh god, he actually does slide it. Oh. Where are you two? Oh, that's Sousa.
I was just trying to get sick.
He's just pissed straight off. Oh no, you can't drift this thing in sick for how much fucking power it's got. Yeah, mate. No! Hello. Oh god, Johnny, help me!
Just right next to you for like 10 seconds there, they're like just spanning.
Poopsky, where have you gone? What? Oh, yeah, set up a public infection and use these things only. Dude, you have to admit, that was pretty sick what I just did there. Me.
Callum, watch it, let's come through this,
I'm looking backwards and drifting at the same time. Dude, I just drifted all the way backwards. I can't see you because you fell behind so quickly. Oh, that's a hill.
Callum, park up in the middle of that hairpin, and me sliding around is going to be your like introduction when you like unpause the recording.
I love the way you say that. Oh, so we'll use that as another video and then go straight into infection. So, I've been Death8087, guys. This has been Delirious Scopes. And the other one's been Pootskin. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!